Hello and welcome to Two for You. Have you ever had the situation where someone says something and you instantly respond, and later on you look back and you think, wow, why did I respond that way? How
Ever or how many times today, Denise?
true. This happens a lot with
Yeah.
many of us. But taking that time to understand, what happened between that stimulus and response is really important because that's where you have the power to choose what's next.
I love that too, that the frame of the power, that the power between the stimulus and response is that opportunity. It's the opportunity to choose, it's the
Right.
opportunity to choose your emotions. It's the opportunity to shift the direction of the conversation or the shift the energy in the room. And along with this, Susan David talks about this as emotional agility. It's that opportunity in this complex, this difficult situation to choose your emotions and to pivot, right? To move forward or to notice them and shift what's happening for you.
And why do we think it's important and why we're taking the time to talk to you about it is that by understanding what happens between the stimulus and the response, you can better cope with everything else that's going on around you. But within yourself, you can stay calm and you can choose the right response, a response that is more positive and more productive for the situation at hand.
So that sounds great because we have these complex situations all the time. But how do
Mhm.
you do this, right? And so the first thing you do is to name your emotions. And that sounds so simple, but the second part of that is not just to name the first thing that you're thinking about, but really to go further and try to give 2 or 3 additional names to that emotion that you're feeling. And what that does is to help you to really drill down to recognize what's really underneath and what's going on for you.
This month, take the time to recognize and take control of that space between the stimulus and response so you can be a better leader, a better community member, a better person as you live and lead with intention.